Hey everyone, it's Kelly Rush, Technical Product Manager for Camtasia. If you've watched some of the other videos on my channel, you'll know that one effect I often use is the audio visualizer, which is the ring of soundbars you see playing around my profile picture right now. I frequently get questions in the comments about how to do this, and up until now, the answer has been a pretty complicated, lengthy workflow of using other tools outside of Camtasia, and then bringing that content back into Camtasia. So with that in mind, I'm incredibly excited to announce that starting in the latest update to Camtasia, we've drastically improved that process. In fact, you can now add an audio visualizer to your video using only Camtasia in a single drag and drop. Let's check it out. But first, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of the latest tips and updates for Camtasia, and make sure to leave a comment about other things you'd like to see as well. Okay, let's check out how to add an audio visualizer to our Camtasia project. And as a bonus, I'll also show you how to use a few other features, like dynamic backgrounds, to make your content even more engaging. First, we drop our audio clip onto the timeline. This is the source that our audio visualizer will use to generate from, and could be a voice recording, music clip, or anything else that produces sound. Locate the audio visualizer you want to use in the default Camtasia 2023 library, and we'll drop it onto the timeline. We can extend it to whatever length we want, and we'll make it match the length of our audio clip. Let's tweak a few other settings over in the Properties panel in order to customize our audio visualizers and make it a bit more interesting to look at. And there, the visualizer work is done. Using a third-party tool before would have taken upwards of a half hour to do this before, and with Camtasia, it only took seconds. In order to make your video even more engaging, let's drop in a dynamic background from the library on a track below the audio visualizer, and adjust the length to match our other clips. And finally, let's grab our profile picture from the media bin, drop it into the center of our audio visualizer, and resize it so that it fits inside. And there you go. In about a minute, you have this great layout made possible with audio visualizers and dynamic backgrounds using only Camtasia. You can use it for all kinds of content, including intros, presentations, podcasts, and more. Any type of content where you need to use motion to keep your viewers engaged is a great opportunity to use both of these features. I can't wait to hear how you use audio visualizers in your next Camtasia project. Leave me a comment below so I can hear all about it. Thanks as always for watching, and keep creating with Camtasia.